I can certainly elaborate on why the waterschappen are currently a very interesting prospect for SynerScope on Microsoft. And the reason is that waterschappen have a vast array of old data, and they have a vast archive with all kinds of different materials that increasingly they are digitizing, so they're moving away from paper. But that doesn't mean that it is actually accessible in a good digital way or even accessible just for simple search. And the Waterschappen, we came in contact with them and they showed us that actually they now have digital archive boxes of past projects. And those digital archives, the only way that they knew to actually make them intelligent was manually starting to put categories and labels on them, which is a painstaking work for them, and certainly even as much as a single Waterschap could have more than 1,000 to 1,500 of these digital file boxes containing up to tens of thousands of individual pages of paper. And what we do in SynerScope, we allow them to actually put that in bulk inside SynerScope, which is running on Microsoft and which takes its dynamic compute and dynamic storage from Microsoft, and therefore can very cost efficiently start doing that work of sorting the data, putting together what belongs together, drawings with drawings, pictures with pictures, text with text, handwritten notes with handwritten notes, which greatly facilitates the efficiency and speed with which data can be brought to an adequate level of metadata for future digital use. Waterschappen and Microsoft together are really giving us an excellent chance of doing something extraordinary. We're going to pull the future to today. The Waterschappen, seeing what we could achieve with their old data and their archive data and their big variation of data on Microsoft today, in only a matter of a few days or a few hours even for some cases, it gave them the clear underpinning that the vision that they were having for something that could maybe be in 5 or 10 years, that actually it would be achievable by pulling everything together now. And we are looking with the Waterschappen to do just that. So the first Waterschap is already working with us of bringing all this old and new data and all this disparate data together in that single pane of glass screen that SynerScope offers you with a view on all your data. So the action will be that the context of all the data of Waterschappen will soon speak its voice. And they are excited about the opportunity, we are excited about the opportunity, and so is Microsoft. They are really supporting that. And together we're going to create a new water management of the future in 2021.
On this cold morning we are standing at pumping station Strooink in the city of Vollenhoven. My name is Jeroen Waanders and I'm an advisor innovations at Waterboard Drents Overijssel Delta in the Netherlands. I would like to tell you about the importance of data for achieving our goals, using tools like SynerScope. My ultimate dream working with data for Waterboard Drents Overijssel Delta means for me using data to pinpoint problems in our control area regarding water management, flooding and wastewater treatment. By using data we are more able to pinpoint problems regarding our legal obligations and organization goals. I want to improve the use of data for more strategic and tactical choices for our organization. We are very good at the operations as water management, flood defense and wastewater treatment, but we can improve our efforts on gathering data and getting more use out of it. Changing an organization comes with obstacles. Employees experience sometimes an even threatening feeling because gathering data comes with a lot of sensors which feels like Big Brother is watching you. On the other hand, more sensors means that we have to burden our employees as little as possible with administrative tasks, so we can gather information more efficient and more quickly and compare that with experience we had from the past. our historical data. By combining those two sources of information, we can anticipate on changing circumstances. Working with data in the cloud is new for our organization. We take small steps to discover the possibilities of working with data and applications in the cloud. From a technical point of view, it doesn't really matter where the data or applications are running. Even in the cloud, it's just a server on another location than our own headquarters. It creates some difficulties, mainly for the managers of our computer systems. Distance and not always able to see what happens is a threat for them, exciting. By coincidence, we came in contact with SynerScope. During an AI Friday from Microsoft, we heard the story about the possibilities SynerScope offers to analyze data, structured and unstructured data in combination. And it was the first time we saw a solution that promises to do what we want as an organization, in our vision. By combining structured and unstructured data, we are more able to control our processes. The ultimate goal is to come to mission control. The development from SynerScope is very promising to our organization. In future, it will enable us to become a more effective and more efficient organization regarding the goals we have for our inhabitants. The tools from SynerScope are the first to do what we have in our vision for our organization. By creating insights and prospects on events to happen, we can add more value to our people in the area. By doing that, we have a tool called Mission Control. So we can be on that places where we add most value to our tasks.